Okay. We all know this thing sounds like shit. Right. So we'll just have a quick listen to this. Yeah, great. Sounds like rubbish. So we're going to put this nice piece of kit on. Okay. Link pipe to get rid of that stupid ugly big cat. Okay, beautiful looking muffler. Looks better in the flesh, believe me. Seen a few of them on the web and they look really nice in the flesh. Nice big hole. This is going to sound good. Take the DB killer out later. What's going on here? This is another resonator. It's not a cat, even though it looks like one, which is good for the authorities. But I think it'll help make it sound, the big single sound a lot better. So as you can see, not restrictive. So give me a couple of minutes and I'll film again and let you hear what this one sounds like. It'll look and sound a lot better than that thing. And I think about 5 kilos lighter too. So, but I'll weigh them before I post it again. So I'll get into it and get back to you.